If you lose your wallet today, you can usually kiss your cash goodbye. Most people are honest, sure, but a free 20 bucks is a free 20 bucks. However, it turns out you can basically security hack human nature just by carrying a photograph of a baby. Researchers in Scotland actually tested this. They dropped hundreds of wallets all over Edinburgh to see which ones would come back. Some had photos of puppies, some had photos of an elderly couple, and some had no photos at all. But the undisputed champion of guilt tripping was the baby photo. Wallets containing a picture of a smiling baby were returned 88% of the time. That is an absurdly high number. Basically, a thief opens the wallet, sees the innocent, chubby face of a human infant, and their primitive brain instantly short-circuits. They go from, "I'm buying lunch," to, "I am a monster destroying a family," in about 3 seconds. It's simple evolutionary biology. We are hardwired to protect helpless little humans. The photo triggers an empathy response so strong that even dishonest people feel compelled to drive to the post office and mail it back. By comparison, the wallets with no photos, those only had a 15% return rate. Apparently, if you are just a faceless, childless stranger, nobody cares about your credit score. Even the puppy photos didn't work as well as the babies, which is frankly shocking because puppies are objectively cuter. So here is the lesson. It doesn't matter if you don't have kids. Go online, find a picture of a generic happy baby, and stick it in your wallet right now. You are essentially weaponizing cuteness to protect your debit card. It's emotional blackmail, and it works.